Okay, I'm here with Dan Jansen and his friends Kawasaki. Tell me a little bit about the bike and that particular story.
Okay. This is Gary Smith's 1969 Kawasaki 500 Mach III H1. Gary is a very good friend of ours and a motorcycle enthusiast, and had a lot. He was kind of known around Kansas City for being the two-stroke guy. He was a very close friend. He passed away last year, a week after last year's show at the Speedway, and we wanted to bring his bike and this picture of him to kind of commemorate his life and his motorcycle habit, as we like to call it. So,
Dan, that's a great story, great tribute. Thanks.
Thanks.